In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a constant contact email as a PDF. This is a valuable skill, especially if you want to archive your emails for future reference or share a specific campaign with someone who may not have access to your constant contact account. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, log into your constant contact account. Once you're in, go ahead and navigate to the marketing channels. From here, you'll want to look for the section labeled Email. This is where all your email campaigns are housed. If you're managing multiple campaigns, you might need to scroll through a bit or use the search feature to locate the specific email you want to save as a PDF. Take your time to find the correct email. You don't want to save the wrong one by mistake. After you've found the campaign you wish to save, position your cursor over it. This should make some options appear, including the Download and Print option. You'll recognize it either by 3 vertical dots or a printer icon, depending on your version. Click on this icon, and a small drop-down menu should appear. In this menu, you'll be given a few choices. This is where we focus on selecting the correct format. Make sure to click on the option labeled PDF. This ensures that the email will be saved in a format that is easy to open and print later. PDFs are universally accessible, making them perfect for sharing or archiving. After selecting PDF, you should then click on the Download button. It might be tempting to think you're done, but hold on for just a moment. Ensure that your computer's download folder is easy to access, as the file will most likely be saved there. You might see a quick notification indicating that the download has started or completed. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds. Once the download is finished, navigate to your Downloads folder on your computer to confirm the file is there. Open it up to double-check that everything looks correct and exactly as you want it. It's always good to verify that the email saved as a PDF retains the right format and content, just like how it appeared originally in Constant Contact. And there you have it. You've successfully saved a Constant Contact email as a PDF. This simple process ensures that you can easily store, share, or print your email campaigns whenever necessary. Thank you for following along with me today. Hopefully this skill will prove quite useful in your future marketing efforts. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Happy saving!